Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to restore WhatsApp chat history. First, use access to the WhatsApp app and then tap to the gear sign and then choose chats. Here, as you can see, we have the last backup, and all you need to do is turn on your new mobile phone and download WhatsApp, then sign in and just use normally because all the history of your messengers already back up. Another way to do is go to your setting on your iPhone and go to the iCloud. Next, go to apps using iCloud and scroll down until you see the side of WhatsApp. It's already turned on. It's fine because your iPhone's gonna back up all the information on the WhatsApp app. That's it. Thank you for watching and I hope this video is helpful.